I will first begin with the lavender colored yarn, and a 2.5 mm hook. So I will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll insert the hook in the second chain and I will start slip stitching. I will slip stitch in every chain. Now I've slip stitched in all the stitches. Now I will take green yarn, and at this point I will attach the green yarn here. Now I'm going to wrap this yarn with the green yarn, wrap these tails with the green yarn, and start and make single crochets on top of them like this. You just hide these tails inside the single crochets. Make them as close as possible. We'll just make one chain and cut off the yarn.